Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to differentiate between polarized capacitors and non-polarized capacitors. So this video is absolutely for beginners. Let's begin, for example, with electrolytic capacitor. As you can see here, this is a polarized capacitor. Here, this color means this is the negative side, and here we have the positive side. Here we have another electrolytic capacitor, positive, negative. Sometimes you can find capacitors with plus sign. So this terminal, this is plus, here negative, here also as you can see plus, minus. What about ceramic capacitors? Ceramic capacitors are not polarized, as you can see. You can test it in both directions. You can put the red probe here or here, no matter, no problem. Next, we have the tantalum capacitor. This capacitor is like the electrolytic capacitor. It's polarized. You see here, we have plus in the side and negative terminal here. This one also plus, and we have negative. You can find other tantalum capacitors, as you can see. This mark here means this is the positive terminal. Here, this is the positive terminal. Of course, sometimes you can find this kind of tantalum capacitor also. Here we have positive. Do you see this mark? Here we have positive, positive, and negative terminal. What about the crystal? The crystal is not polarized. The crystal is simple. We have two terminals, and we test it using the oscilloscope. Here also we have another crystal. The coils also or inductor also are same, not polarized. Okay, you can check it using both sides, no problem. So for MOSFETs and ICs, transistors, those are special. We cannot see polarized or not polarized because it contains many terminals, not just two terminals. For the resistors, as you can see here, it's not polarized. For diode, as you can see over here, we have diode. Do you see this white mark here? Means this is the cathode and the anode. This is the positive side or the anode. Here we have the negative side. Even here we have a big diode, as you can see. Do you see this white mark over here? Means this is the positive side, and here we have the negative side. So the diode is polarized. Ballast capacitors like those are not polarized. The CTN is not polarized. The MOV is not polarized. Of course, the electrolytic capacitors are polarized, and those kind of capacitors, as you can see here, you have to pay attention to this side here. Do you see this side here? Means this is negative terminal, and over here we have positive terminal. Switches are not polarized. LEDs are polarized. So this is it, guys. This video is a fast video for beginner. I hope you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and for anyone who wants to accelerate learning, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description. Thank you very much, and see you with another video.